Good day, everyone. In this session, I want to walk you through the Jendamark documentation portal. This documentation portal forms part of the Jendamark ecosystem of products. To help me explain how the system works, I will introduce you to John. John is a maintenance technician in a packaging factory. In the unfortunate scenario where John has to attend to the breakdown of a critical machine, he needs to access the critical documentation as soon as possible. He requires documentation such as the instruction manual on how to safely shut the machine down, what are the important safety areas around the machine to avoid any injuries to himself and any workers that are working on that machine. Once he has safely shut the machine down, he can then start to fault find the issue. And for this, he would typically need things like electrical drawings, the general machine layout, and any other information that could help him or guide him towards finding the issue. Before the documentation portal was introduced into the factory, John would have to search through old filing cabinets or even search through hundreds of files and folders on the company server. This would sometimes take hours, and often he would not find the information he's looking for. However, since the factory have introduced ODIN Documentation, John has two quick and simple ways to access the documentation he requires. The first option is John can log on to the web platform, and depending on his access rights, he can then see all the machine documentation he needs. The second option is to scan the QR code on the machine using a mobile device, and this will take him directly to the machine documentation he requires. We have designed the system in such a way that John can set up multiple QR codes on a single machine, and each QR code can direct John to a specific document. Many of our customers make special QR codes for their wear parts. This allows them to scan wear part QR codes, get quick access to the wear part drawings, which can be quickly emailed to a manufacturer to get these wear parts manufactured. This quick access to critical documentation has significantly reduced the time to repair for our customers by simply speeding up the access to critical documentation.